Hey, what's going on, bro?
I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out.
So what's going on?
So I'm gonna go ahead and buff this out today.
Oh, yep.
Yep.
You gonna buff it out?
Let's fix it, bro.
Let's fix it, dude. I'm sure I'll just buff out.
Nope.
You sure it won't buff out, bro? Just maybe add more wax.
Oh, you're right. Hold on, bro. I'm running out. Hold on.
Is this just all the damage right there in the front, or?
Yeah, basically. I mean, he also hit this one right here. He did this.
He did that?
He did this.
Joseph, damn. Oh, nah, you good. I was about to say, damn, you really don't fuck with me, huh?
Not bad, bro.
What's up, G?
Sorry.
I fuck with the parking, though.
Thanks, dude.
You got
Bro, we got out at the same time. How'd you get a 40?
That's from yesterday. I didn't get to drink it.
That shit was nasty, though.
Was it yesterday?
Nah, that was Saturday, bro.
Because it's going to be okay.
It is gonna be okay.
Think about
Guys,
it. God said, damn, man. My boy, he finally got us a quarter running, but he needs something better. And then what do you know? Charlie comes out of nowhere. Bam, smacks your shit. Now you about to cash out.
Yeah.
New whip.
yeah, that's the way you can look at it, bro. That's the way. Maybe, bro. The whole time it's been something like I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I don't know. Something like maybe.
Yeah, maybe just
Maybe something like, oh, my keys. Something like, I don't know. Maybe something. I don't know.
I don't know, bro. I just wish I could just put my finger on it, you know, bro? Like I don't know, bro. Guys, this is why you need to go cop a Broke Boys banner. Look at that quality, stayed intact, always repping, bro. Even through the
Thick and thin.
even through the thick and the thin, bro. Still holding strong,
Like
bro.
our friendship.
Yep. No matter what, G, look at that. Strong. Sheesh. You keep that thing on you?
And this, ladies and gentlemen, why you should always buy Dickies.
So you can steal shit?
Hey, what's going on here?
I found this in the back of my truck, and me and Jesse slapped it on. They didn't even eyeball it or nothing. Straight as fuck.
Bro, how long have you had that banner?
I don't know.
I forgot about that color.
I'm a deadass just say leave that on there for now until we just finish.
Wait,
taking
if
the
it's not
pictures.
sticking, then we can reposition it.
Oh.
Nah, it's on there.
No, it's on there. No.
Nah. We're just gonna heat gun this. No air bubbles or nothing, man.
Sheesh, bro.
Not a single air bubble.
Dude, I saw you guys just slap it on there, dude.
I said right there, he's all fucking.
What air bubbles? Bam.
Damn. Okay. Okay.
Okay then. That's all you have to say.
What? You said what?
Family photo.
You got it?
Yep.
Bro, I just brought the bottle opener.
Brick squad.
Brick squad? Bro, you really opened
Your
it with a
turn.
brick. I'll just use this.
We'll use this, bro. It's cheaper.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm here with my boy Marcel. And yeah, I woke up today, it's Saturday morning, and I decided I want to go lower. I've been wanting to go lower for a while, But I've just been lazy because I have to like really shave the inside of the fenders, and then, you know, no one likes adjusting coilovers. So I went and bought a grinder, but right now I'm working on the rear, so I'm gonna lower the rear just a little bit, and then we're gonna get working on the front. What are you doing, Marcel?
Listen to this wonderful album.
Oh, yep, guys. This is album of the year. I don't care. Album of the year. Nice blunt, Marcel.
Alright, thank you. Hey, we gotta release an album. Hey.
Why do you have to?
Hey, my boy turned into a drug dealer, bro. Y'all wanna know what happened to Joseph? Why he got so skinny? My boy been pushing weight, bro. Look at, oh, God.
He's popping, bro. Look at him.
Look at this. Look. My boy look. Hey, is that?
My ass looks in these?
Ooh, is that?
America's ass.
Hey, oh.
That's.
I.
Yeah, I'm working with it.
Nah. That's better. So, buddy.
I brought some
Dude, he got Starbucks and Chili's.
I brought some chips and dip. Y'all want some avocado,
Ooh,
some
bro.
salsa.
Plug.
So,
Hey, is this Uber Eats, bro?
it's Stance or Eat.
Stance Eats.
Is it really that scary? Don't look at it.
No.
Hey, somebody want to donate a jack to the
Bro,
cause?
stop. Bro, stop. Don't look at it. My jack is at Leo's house, bro. Don't look at it. Don't look at my jack.
Bro, you got jacked.
Damn it.
This is a homage beat.
Marcel just saved the day. I've been working with this honestly trash ass, unsafe scissor jack, and Marcel was like, nah, fuck that, and he went and got his own jack. I love you, bro.
happened?
That's a true homie. If you're a homie, don't do that. That ain't love.
Hey, bro, I got pulled over.
No way. For what?
Sound a bad motherfucker.
Hey Marcel, how stubborn was that coilover right now, bro?
Pretty stubborn. Until we use that very special product.
Until we use Simple Green Heavy Duty Barbecue and Grill Cleaner. Get yours now for $7.99. Shipping and included.
That's not my mom. Hey, mom.
Hey, but in all seriousness, this put in work. I was trying to look for the greaser or like something else, guys, or like acetone, and then I found this, and it actually worked, and almost
fucking magnificent.
and almost instantly too. So yeah, if you have this laying around the house, use it. So we put on a few lug nuts. We're gonna drop it really slowly, and we're gonna see how this sits. Hopefully, it's way lower. Oh. oh.
Got you.
Yeah, it's lower. I'm gonna have to shave it.
Yeah.
Nah, fuck that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to shave it for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Because once you lower the back, it'll raise the front a little bit, and then it'll be even.
I like it.
Now
Is it way lower?
Don't look at that side.
Hold on.
Hey.
Oh. Yeah, wow. Yeah, I'm way lower. Damn.
Let's tighten everything. Gonna be one of those night videos.
So guys, when working with carbon fiber, you gotta be really careful. I mean, this is not the best equipment, but it's better than nothing.
This is what I've been using.
Yeah.
I didn't buy this. He bought this.
Yeah, so it's bad to get like all the fiberglass inside your lungs, guys. So if you're working with that, be careful. Ain't that right?
Grove Street is king.
So Marcel just blessed me with some really good cutting. Dick too.
Gangsta dick on Grove Street.
Damn.
Fuck them OG ballers. Yo, Andy,
What's up?
where your colors at, dog? On Vice City.
Yeah, so I don't know if the camera doesn't get that, but some nice cutting. Thank you, buddy.
Whew, I feel like a sweatshop.
Alright, keep going, you're fine. You're gonna clear, just don't go any lower.
Oh, that's perfect.
Watch. Is that even full lock or what?
I hope that's not full lock.
No, you're fine. Andy.
Oh, you're good.
You
Gucci.
clear, yeah.
I think if you put the spacers on, maybe
Yeah,
you
you might hit the
might
spacers.
bulge it. Like you won't get full lock with the spacers.
Who knows? We'll see what happens.
But we'll see. And now we'll
Or
put.
if you want, put a spacer on right now, and then just put a random lug because you have the space
true.
for your wheel to get on, and then just test it really fast and don't do anything.
Smart man. Reps.
Alright, so guys, I clear right now, but Joseph's gonna give me some spacers, but before I buy hardware for them, we're gonna see if I can clear with the spacers. We're just gonna do like a quick test fit, just like
Reps.
that, and if I can clear it, then we're gonna go get some hardware for the spacers.
It's a wobble grill.
And some Waba grill.
Wobble spacers?
Waba spacers.
Wobble spacers. It's what's it?
Alright, so we're gonna do a quick test fit. Thankfully, I have enough space on the back of the wheels to put on a stock lug nut, so I was able to put one on there just to test fit. And if this works, I'm gonna go buy some hardware. I'm really hoping it works.
Some more stock lugs.
Alright, so what happened, Andy?
Alright, so even though it looks pretty clean, it's for sure gonna crack the fuck out my fenders. So tomorrow, I'm gonna just get a smaller tire size, probably like a Chill 5, because these are 215s. And I could just throw these in the rear, thanks to Joseph's advice. And then I can go lower in the rear, because I need a smaller tire in the rear anyways, and I do need tires. So it works out. And I go lower, so it works out, you know?
I think it'll look A-okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
You not breath for nothing?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
You got okay.
I'm good.
Alright, for sure.
I'm good.
Alright. Huh? Have some of what? That drink right
You
there?
got a drink? I want some of your drink.
You want some of my, hey man, you spit in my drink?
Hey, bro, hey. Also no hype shit, bro. You my homie and I fuck with you, bro. You spit in my drink, bro?
Nah man, I didn't spit in your drink.
Bro, did you spit in my drink?
Nigga, no!
Okay, then. Alright, guys, so I'm actually a little bit bummed right now because I thought I had 215s in the front,
Ah, you thought?
but I already have 205s. And my plan was to throw, if these were 215s, I was gonna throw these in the rear and I was gonna get 205s in the front, but I'm already on 205s, so.
Just get 195s. That's the way to go. But you have to get them online. They don't have one. They won't have it at a tire shop.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna have to do that, guys. But yeah, the fitment is good. It would have been nice if I was able to throw on those spacers, but those are gonna have to wait. But I did go lower, and it's almost even with the rear now, so fitment looks a lot better. And I'm fucking with it. But this side is a little bit higher, so what are we doing,
Perfect.
Marcel?
Since this side is a little bit higher, we're gonna go lower on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Oh my back! I was falling.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm cool. You good?
Hey, so what's left on the adjusting the
You
suspension?
gotta put the motherfucking wheel back on.
That's it?
Yep.
And then it's done, bro?
Done.
That's it. Sheesh. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it out real quick. Hey, what are you doing over there, Jose? What? Alright, so I'm gonna pull it out real quick and we're gonna see how my fitment looks like on the street.
I don't think you did.
Alright, so fitment is a lot better. We lowered the front, so now the rear and the front is almost even. Looks way better than before. Oh, what, Miguel? What? What is up, guys? It's the next day. Got Marcel with me. But we were gonna mess with the fitment more, but something happened today. So my wheel lock on this side, we're gonna start taking it off, and then it decided to strip on me. Like my actual key just completely got stripped on the inside, so I can't even take off my wheels anymore.
My homie has some extended top hats.
So now I gotta wait until I get another key for the wheel lock, so I can't do anything as much as I want to. I literally can't do anything until I get a new wheel lock. We went to the Honda dealership, they did not have it, so I just gotta wait till they get more. But at least the fitment is not too bad right now. That's definitely way lower. Yeah, let me get a base mat, bro. Yeah,
sure.
I know where to plug it in here. So,
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
alright, bro.
You're a noob. It says error.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. My
Are you sure it's connected right?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see the fitting. That's the right one. Oh, what's wrong with it?
Nah, this shit's not working, bro.
You think it's my ECU?
I think so. Honestly, if you want to come back next week and we could work something out, but
What ECU do you think I should get?
I don't know which one you have right now.
Just the stock one. They can be fixed though, right?
Honestly, I hope.
Well, what about that? Maybe it's just the left side. Does that side work?
Nope.
Oh, that's our last chance right here.
It says curb rash.
What a dig. Fuck you, dude. That was low.
Well, he said the curb rash?
He said, oh, it said something. Like curb rash. Alright, so Marcel gave me a brilliant idea. So we're most likely gonna do this in a different video when we have more
We're
time
doing it right
and are actually prepared. Well, we're not prepared. I can't even take off my wheels. But basically, I'm gonna give you guys a little hint of what Marcel hit me with. So you see that? See the mesh, right? So what if we cut it out? Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it.
Ooh.
And then you go
Alright.
across the street, bro. Just leave. Go home.
Oh yeah, bro. That shit's gonna
That's
look
just gonna be
fucking. That shit's gonna look crazy.
And imagine when it's hooked up too, and it's just gonna.
Oh, and exactly, it's gonna fucking be reflecting off the fender. Sheesh.
Piece of my car is making my friend's cars look.
I know those are out for Jesse's. Yeah, thank you.
Shit, it sucks because I'm about to put him on the CRV.
Wow, he's gonna go choose. He's gonna choose Miguel. Oh yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy.
That nigga on reps.
And then he was like, went, he turned around, he went in his.
I be right in my